Have you ever wanted to create an iCover of your favorite song? Well, today we're going to show you how to do just that. Here are the steps you need to follow to create your own iCover song. Step 1. Choose a song you'd like to cover with I. Make sure that the song has a clear melody and is well known. Step 2. Find an AI program that can help you create a cover of the song. There are many options out there, including OpenAI, IBM's Watson, and Google's Magenta. Step 3. Input the original song into the AI program and wait for it to analyze the melody. This may take a few minutes, depending on the program you're using. Step 4. Use the program's tools to adjust the key, tempo, and other aspects of the original song to create your own unique cover. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with the iCover, export it as an audio file and listen to it. If you don't like it, make adjustments to the settings until it sounds the way you want. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating your own iCover song. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.